Right, so here's a quick one. This is the display module out of my Honda Civic. And what's happened is, if I just put the photo in here, you can see the top of all the characters seems to be missing, along with a few other bits and pieces. And I found out what's caused that. Crap soldering along here. Good old Fred Lee, as I call it, strikes again. Cheap, nasty, lead-free solder. Let's see if we can get it under the microscope so you can actually see, because all these joints along here are definitely dry jointed. There's all flux left all over the board. That's quite disgusting. Forgive the shaking. Yeah, you can see all them joints. Just about. Let's really get a camera microscope. Yeah, they're all dry and knackered. That's enough of that wobbling around through there. Let's have a look. Right. So I'll just quickly resolder all of those and hopefully it'll be as good as new. So yes, that's Molly, the workshop helper. Didn't you? She's not our cat, she's the neighbour's cat, but she comes to visit. Well, I think that's as good as that's going to get. Whatever that stuff is that's on there, that fluxy stuff, it could be conformal coating, but I'm sure it's flux. Yuck. It's, yeah, needs more than a bit of IPA to shift it. Let's have a look at me soldering under the microscope again. Quite a bit of flux left, but no dry joints. Let's get this back together and see if it still works. Or works better than it did. Trying not to get my mucky fingers all over it. Main bit. There's no dust in there. I think we're okay. I've got one more. There we go. Now we're in. Right, give that a bit of a wipe and then let's go try it out. Right, let's get this plug back in. Plugs are in. Hey, it lives. Much better. Right, I'm going to try and put all this back together. Right, there we go. So that's the panel you've got to take off, and I would highly recommend starting in the corners. Take a good look at it, that's where all the clips are. They go that way. And that one, by far the most awkward to get hold of. Oh, and the two back ones as well. The front ones ain't too bad. It lives.